Introducing India's most advanced smart adjustable recliner bed. Its state-of-the-art futuristic technology gives you the desired comfort whether you are sleeping, sitting, enjoying your favorite TV show, or just relaxing. Zero gravity mode. Now sleep with almost a feeling of weightlessness with zero gravity mode. Scientifically designed by NASA, zero gravity reduces the pressure on your spine, thus reducing neck and back pain and improving blood circulation. Anti-snore position. Sleeping with an inclined head angle helps reduce snoring, thus improving your blood circulation. Don't just sleep. It's time to sleep healthy with our smart adjustable bed. Multifunctional use. Now enjoy watching your favorite TV show or reading a book before bedtime. Do it all with ease by just raising the head section. It can be your perfect work from home. Activate the built-in massage feature that giving your head and lower back a dream massage, taking away all the stress of the day with relaxing sleep experience. Easy to install. Head inclines up to 60 degrees and foot inclines up to 40 degrees. It comes with a sturdy dual holding bars and is compatible with all mattress types. The smart adjustable recliner bed comes with 5 years warranty, 5 years on bed base, 2 years on motors, 1 year on wireless remote. Inbuilt massage mode and zero gravity sleep mode queen size bed. Thank you for watching. To know more about this smart recliner bed, please click the link in description box. For more videos, please like and subscribe. Have a good day.